is they just said, the CEO just told me that this was their property and so was their property.
You know, I bet you if they show me some evidence that they own this, you guys are gonna stop liking donuts and park correctly.
They were shot and killed.
Yeah, but that could happen anywhere.
Oh, y'all need to charge the people accordingly.
Right.
Oh, and we did. Absolutely.
Right.
But we're trying to...
You want to tell me I can't be back here, y'all? You already seen the sign say vehicles only.
You already passed the sign. You need to step back some. You're past the sign now. So now you're...
Can a private business claim ownership of a public sidewalk to stop you from recording? Today, we're in Worcester, Massachusetts, where a First Amendment audit outside a dispensary triggers a, end quote, Karen, end quote, meltdown and a confused police response. It's a high-stakes standoff between the public easement and a CEO who thinks his property lines extend to the street. When the badge arrives and asks for, end quote, proof, end quote, of public land, who is really failing the constitutional test? Let's break down the law of the sidewalk.
Gathering evidence to blackmail me?
Gathering evidence to blackmail you? You already gave all your information to them. They took your picture, they took your ID, the state tracks you. You blackmailed yourself.
Oh, no, I'm not worried about that.
Are you not worried about the government?
No?
No? You should be. You should be. Well, I mean, look, you're willing to give up all your information to the people that are tracking your weed purchases. All right.
Get it, they have to go in the black market and get it.
Understandable. I agree. I agree.
So at least I know I'm getting what I'm paying for, right?
True. That's very true.
And it's somebody's yard.
Yeah, no, you're very right. That's very true. That's very true. Hey, but have a good day, though. Thank you.
An aggressive patron, the end quote, Karen, end quote, winky face confronts the auditor, claiming he needs, end quote, permission, end quote, to record in public and threatening to call 911. Legally, recording in a public space, including the sidewalk outside a business, is a constitutionally protected activity that does not require consent. The auditor correctly identifies that the patron and oppose aggressive behavior and 911 call over a camera constitute a misuse of emergency services and a total failure to understand the First Amendment.
My permission to have me on there.
I don't need your permission.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Yes, you certainly do. Why are you being an ass?
Why am I being an ass? You almost just caused an accident
I did
turning
not
around.
cause an
No,
accident.
you almost caused
Why
an
are
accident.
you doing this? Is harassment.
This is harassment.
This is harassment.
You pulling back up to me and yelling at me is
because
being
you're
harassed.
videoing us.
Well,
That's
call the
illegal.
police and cry about it.
I
Call the police and
will.
cry.
I don't know you. I will.
I got 40K on YouTube.
Hello?
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Not too bad. How can I help you?
What's going on?
First
I'm the general
Amendment
manager
Protection
of the store. I'm just
Have a good one.
checking in because the customer told me that you feel harassed by you.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
What's going on?
Oh, I'm just out here stress testing our First Amendment right to record in public here today.
Is that so? Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I was going to ask you later that you don't harass our customer.
Yeah, nobody's harassing anybody. They turned around, banged a Yui in the middle of the road, almost caused an accident, and then came up to me and yelled. So, if you don't know the story, I would suggest you don't tell people what to do, because you make yourself look uneducated.
That's absolutely fine. So if I have any more complaints, I'll come directly to you. Okay?
Sweet, sounds good.
Sounds great.
Have a good one.
Thank you so much.
I'm trying to be your friend. Yes. Yes. Thank you. Have a good one. There you go. Freedom of expression. I'm all about.
That's it, man.
Yeah, my man. My man. Nice to meet you.
Night, every night, man.
Nice to
I
meet
was
you.
driving out of work and I said, you know what? I know this guy. I was waiting for you to come in the building. We got like, you got this one here, there's the one up there.
Yeah,
we should go to all of them.
the other one up there isn't the greatest location because it's on like that side street. I would have to go all the way in, and I can't. So that's like a private road right there. So that's why I chose this one today.
Ah.
Oh, what was your name, man?
Bruce.
Bruce.
Yeah. I'm
As
from
you already
Milton.
know, Johnny.
Oh, yeah,
very
Johnny.
nice to meet you.
Oh, yeah. I love
Very
it.
nice to meet you.
Oh, every day I have to put this on, you know.
Dude, that's awesome. They said they were calling the police, so
Oh,
I don't know if they're gonna show up yet. You just missed it, dude. You're about a minute short. I had this lady come up, she was getting in my face. Her husband was sitting in the car, not even doing anything. And she gets up and gets in my face and is calling the police, calling me names and stuff. It was pretty funny. It's pretty good.
I was gonna have it all shit, cause I got a bat in the back. I was gonna come after you, you son of
Hey, but as soon as I saw the flex, you got me in the beginning part. That's it. I was like, oh, great. Here we go. Here we go. It's very nice to meet you, man. Thanks for coming over. You as well. Very nice to meet you, Bruce. Exactly. Have a good one.
Officer Stewart, number 192, attempts to intermediate, stating that the CEO claims the sidewalk is, in quote, their property. In quote, legally, a public easement, usually 10 to 15 feet from the road, is public domain, and Officer Stewart, number 192, attempts to intermediate, stating that the CEO claims the sidewalk is, in quote, their property. In quote, legally, a public easement, usually 10 to 15 feet from the road, is public domain, and a private owner cannot trespass a citizen for exercising rights there. The officer's request for, in quote, proof, in quote.
And I totally get it.
Yeah.
But if you just go, you're saying this is their property.
I don't care what they say. You guys know that it's not. That's why you didn't ask me to leave as soon as you pulled up. It's public easement. You and I both know it is. So let's not pretend and say that they have a say in whether or not I stand here.
So if they get proof that it's their property, then you'll move.
If they get proof that it's their property, what kind of proof do you think they're going to show that they own the public easement? That they own 10 feet off the white line, 15 feet off the white line. How are they going to prove that?
If they, all I'm saying is they just said, the CEO just told me that this was their property and so is their property.
You know, I bet you if they show me some evidence that they own this, you guys are going to stop liking donuts and park correctly.
Have your name?
Can you have my name? Yeah, First Amendment Protection Agency. Go and check it out. I'm not that hard to find.
All right.
Hey, take it easy, guys. Unfortunately, the Constitution prevails again. Ah, darn it. No arrests today, buddies. Sorry, guys. Not here, not me. Hey, you know, nobody's even asked me to leave yet. I could walk right up to you guys. Did you know that?
The encounter ended with the auditor standing his ground and the Worcester police departing after a failed attempt to invent property laws. The audit successfully documented the public and Oppo's ignorance and the department and Oppo's struggle with constitutional boundaries. The lesson: public easements belong to the people, not the business next door. If you believe in holding, in quote, clueless cops, in quote, accountable and protecting the First Amendment, hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment on this Worcester, in quote, easement, in quote, fail, and keep filming. Stay free. Can a judge and Oppo's administrative order legally override the U.S. Constitution in a public hallway? Today, we analyze a high-stakes standoff at a Montgomery County courthouse where a lieutenant attempts to ban, in quote, electronics, in quote, based on a standing order. It's a battle between judicial policy and the First Amendment right to document public spaces. When the badge admits that law enforcement often lets emotions get the better of them, who ends up with a, in quote, readjusted, in quote, attitude? Let's break down the law of the, in quote, standing order, in quote.
Media companies.
But, okay.
I'm my own company.
Yeah, I'm an independent, so.
Okay, well, I'm gonna need media credentials for y'all to come in with electronics.
So freedom of press, you need to show an ID?
I'm gonna
Thank
need
you, sir.
media credentials.
So you need an ID in order to practice your freedom
That
of press?
says you are media.
Ah, who
That
issued
sign out there, that sign out there that was issued by Judge Johnny Hardwick.
Is that a law?
It's a standing order
So his
by
law,
the presiding judge.
So the administrative order actually supersedes the U.S. Constitution. Is that what you're telling? I'm just asking.
I'm telling you, you can check with Judge Johnny Hardwick.
Okay.
He's issued that order that's on that sign unless you have media credentials.
So we can't go in the public areas. I'm not asking. I'm not asking for the courtrooms.
Have a
Okay.
good day. Have a good day.
So you're going to refuse access?
I'm not refusing access. You just got to take the electronics out.
Why did you let us in with the electronics, man?
I don't know. But that sign, did you see the sign?
So is that a law?
Ma'am, did you see the sign?
Okay. So you're not going to let me walk the hallways and walk
Not
out?
with those cameras.
Why not?
You give me some media credentials and you can walk.
Who issues them, sir? I'm an independent journalist.
I don't know.
So you just want me to write a piece of paper that says media and show it to you?
I don't know what you do, but
Okay.
you can go out there and look at that sign.
I know, but who issues them, sir? That's what I'm trying to get you to understand. You can't tell me.
I'm sorry, sir.
So you said well,
I can't hear you.
let me rewind for a second. You said that so basically you're telling me just a few seconds ago that your company issues them. I told you that I'm independent.
Okay.
So how am I going to produce, other than just writing something on a crayon press badge? What's that? Uh-oh. Is that a de-escalation stance? Okay, because usually
getting comfortable.
Okay, see, it is a de-escalation stance. See, I love it. So where can I get these media credentials that you speak of?
I don't know. Maybe Google can tell you.
Google? I don't need to Google. I just want to walk in a public building.
Okay.
Okay.
And you're
So
more than welcome to. But that sign right there that was put out there by Judge-
Is that for all the courthouses, including the annexes too?
No, that's just for this building.
That's just for this building?
This building. You can go into the other buildings, but Judge Hardwick issued that administrative order saying that no electronics are allowed in the building unless you're media, and you have to be able to prove to us that you
So how? And I keep asking you, what kind of proof would you accept?
media credentials.
So how would I produce those?
Get some. I don't know.
From where?
I don't know.
So you're basically saying that we have to be one of the mainstream media companies to come in here.
That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying get some media credentials.
So you have a piece of paper here? I mean, can I borrow this pen real quick?
No.
I can write media on there and show it to you? I mean, is that what you see how silly that sounds? Can I ask you a quick question too? You're part of the Montgomery County Sheriff's Office?
Lieutenant Clemens demands, and quote, media credentials, and quote, to allow electronics in the building, citing a standing order by Judge Johnny Hardwick. Legally, the government cannot require a license or, end quote, ID, end quote, for a citizen to exercise the First Amendment. The auditor correctly challenges the lieutenant to define who issues these credentials, exposing that, end quote, policy, end quote, is often used as a tool to exclude independent press. The lieutenant and oppose eventual, end quote, de-escalation stance, end quote, and permission for the auditor to walk the hallways prove that constitutional rights cannot be silenced by a sign on a door.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And how do you say it, Clemens? Mm-hmm. So anyway, I'm assuming that you swore...
I got media credentials.
You got your camera on, Lieutenant?
That's a gift card.
That's credentials.
No, that's not media credentials.
Who decides what's media credentials and who doesn't?
Don't be a smart aleck.
But who decides it, sir? Do you see how silly this sounds?
I understand, but
we would literally
listen,
instead of looking like a fool, I would literally walk down the hallways, walk in the public areas, and then I'm out.
You're trying to antagonize people.
How am I trying to antagonize them? I just want to walk.
It's what you do.
It's what I do.
All I'm doing is my job.
So literally, I wanted to walk down the public hallways.
I'm telling you, there's a sign right there.
I want to literally walk down the public hallways, and then I'll leave. That's it.
Walk down the hallway and then leave.
Okay. Oops.
Hey, do you have your card? I was just talking to you on the phone.
Oh, who are you?
The person you just spoke to.
I've talked to a couple people on the phone, so. Oh, okay.
Do you have one?
No. I'll take one, though, yeah.
No, we'll trade.
We'll trade?
Yeah.
That's not very professional.
Oh, I'm the least professional person you've met all year.
Probably, I don't know. That's I meet a lot of unprofessional people, so.
I guarantee I'm at the bottom.
Really?
Yes, indeed.
Is that what you strive for?
I do.
Wow.
It takes a lot of effort, but I
guess as a government employee, I guess that the bar is pretty low, huh?
Yes. I'm glad you feel that way.
All right. Well, have a nice day. Adieu,
you do
sir.
the same, for sure. Students who have problems with disciplinary issues.
Oh yeah, I'm not sure. Oh, this is Michael.
Yeah.
He gave me a card.
Well, he refused to give me his, so.
Oh no, he hooked me up.
He actually said he's the least professional government employee that you will find.
That's what he said?
That was his words, yeah. Is that what you told me?
It's very much what I told
See?
him. I was trying to
Verbatim.
explain to him that you guys have come into some of our space where we do confidential issues.
Do you do that in public spaces?
No, we don't do it in public spaces like this.
Well, that's the only places I've been is public spaces.
No, you went into offices.
Public lobbies. I asked your secretary. She told me this was that the public comes in there and gets service, and this is a public lobby.
In there, then it's kind of like a public.
It's a public lobby. It wasn't like I walked back in the doors, into the offices.
Welcome to Montgomery.
Just to have you here.
Are you an Eagles fan?
No.
No. Trying to break.
I just wear their jacket.
Some people do.
And the lanyard.
Some people do. You'd be surprised. No, he's finance.
Oh, because it says district attorney's office.
Well, but the finance, yeah.
The finance section. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Have a great day.
You too.
Thank you so much.
Great rest of your day too, sir. Is that? Can we get the lieutenant back over here? The one that was here. Hey, what's up? Hey, hey.
In a rare moment of transparency, the lieutenant admits that officers often have a tendency to think they, in quote, control everything, in quote, and let emotions lead them down the, in quote, wrong path, end quote. Legally, this dialogue bridges the gap between authority and accountability. The auditor uses a Second Amendment analogy, asking if officers would confiscate guns if ordered, to illustrate that unconstitutional orders should not be followed. This masterclass in verbal de-escalation results in the officer acknowledging that the First Amendment is a, and quote, bulwark of liberty, end quote.
We good, man. We good. We straight. Like, we good to go and everything. Because just want to make sure like we good and everything. Because I think we got kind of started off on the wrong foot and everything. So I just want to make sure we good.
Yeah, I mean we're good.
So and then one other, I might hang.
It just seems like you had a distaste. We just want to make sure. I said it seems like you had a distaste.
I don't have a distaste. I can understand where y'all are coming from. I get it.
Okay.
I understand. However, these videos make it seem like every law enforcement officer is bad.
My videos?
I haven't seen your videos.
My point is,
Yeah, sure. my point exactly.
So let me just answer your question. So to touch on that, because you're automatically painting us with the same brush.
Everybody does.
I know, but let me say this to you. You said it, not me, about the police officers and the bad videos, right?
Right.
So you saying that about us is the same thing as that all cops are bad. That's the same thing.
And that's what people do.
But I didn't do that.
Right.
So shoot me the same, the courtesy.
You're right.
And just like I do with you.
You're right.
Now, I will give you my channel name, and you can go on there and you can peruse through your heart's desire.
I would love to do that.
There are actually several videos that I have that have positive interactions with law enforcement, and there are negative. Unfortunately, because of the distaste that, like you portrayed earlier, most of them are negative because a lot of people don't want to think through and give people the fair shot.
What's your channel?
The J-Town Press.
The J-Town Press.
Okay. Because the whole reason I give that to you is because I want to bridge the gap between law enforcement. I want to bring law enforcement back into the community and keep that separation, break that separation. Especially with the Sheriff's Department compared to the PD or the TSA. The Sheriff's Department are constitutional officers because they're elected by the people.
Right.
And the Sheriff's Department is specifically to uphold the Constitution and people's rights.
Let me ask you this.
Sure.
Why such a hard time on us, like specifically the son, right?
I'll answer you real quick. I know where you're going. So you have a brain to think. So so basically what I want you to do is, just because a city council or a state legislature or whoever makes an unconstitutional law doesn't mean that you have to enforce it.
No, but that's a administrative rule for this building
that you have to follow that people don't.
Which we have been given an order.
But what's higher, a judge's order or the people's rights?
Well, the sheriff has given us an order to follow that rule.
Well, my question to you, but as a personal level, I know you're not speaking for the Montgomery County Sheriff's, but you as a person, as a man himself, how do you feel? What's more important, the people's right, your constitutional rights, or some random judge who makes an unconstitutional administrative order? I mean, it's very simple. And obviously, we know what your answer is because you obviously didn't violate and remove us from here. So I kind of know your answer already. But
I'm going to get out of here. Do you know the 5 elements of the First Amendment?
The 5 elements of the First Amendment?
What they guarantee?
What are they?
We know what they are.
Well, can you tell me?
Yeah. Freedom of speech, freedom of press, freedom of religion.
There you go.
2 more.
2 more.
These are the hard. These are the hardest.
There you go.
Symbol.
Yep.
What else?
1 more.
I forget the 5th one.
What we're doing right now today.
Petition.
Petition.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Okay, so
You're actually in the top bracket of getting them.
That's actually good.
Yeah,
So what
most
you
people don't
just
get that
said,
many.
Okay, so can I have your credentials for what religion you practice? Can you give me credentials to practice free speech?
See how silly that
See how
sounds?
silly it sounds?
I get it.
Yeah.
I get it.
Yeah.
I do
Okay.
get it. I'm not a block.
No.
You know,
Yeah, I got
get
you.
what you're
Well, you didn't
saying.
make lieutenant being a block.
Well, yeah.
Right. I get you.
I mean, I get it.
Right.
I do. I get it.
I appreciate it, and I'm glad that we can leave on a friendlier term.
Oh, yeah.
Because like I told you earlier, we're trying to bridge that gap.
Right.
We don't want a reaction. We literally want to walk in here peacefully, freely go about like American citizens. Because if I have to ask for permission, it's not called freedom.
I get it.
Yeah.
I do. I get it.
Right.
But I mean, the thing with the electronics, and I'll tell you what happened.
Okay. Yeah.
The thing with the electronics, that order came out after we had a case where somebody got done testifying in court. Somebody, when they walked out of the building, somebody made a phone call, was videoing them, all that stuff. They got out there and they were shot and killed.
Yeah, but that could happen anywhere.
Oh, y'all need to charge the people accordingly.
Right.
Oh, and we did, absolutely.
Right.
But we're trying to, and we did not make the order.
Right, I
The
get
presiding
you.
judge did.
But you remember what I said? Just because somebody makes an order or a law, you're a constitutional officer.
And our
Yeah.
government does it all the time.
So here's
You're
the thing.
right.
Would you follow this? A police officer, that it has happened before, shoots an unjustifiable shooting, they get charged, they go to prison.
Absolutely.
It happens. So since he did that, don't you think all police should lose the right to their guns and carry a gun?
I see what you did there.
Or another analogy I always give is if the Congress, whether it be Alabama or the U.S., if they came up and said, you know what, we're abolishing the Second Amendment, would you go door to door collecting Americans?
Absolutely not.
That's exactly right. That's right, and I'll fist pound on that too. But my point in bringing that up is if you're not going to follow that unlawful order, if somebody else makes an unlawful order, why would you follow that one? That goes against it's still the Constitution, whether it's the second or the first. So
You're absolutely right. Law enforcement officers have this tendency to think we control everything.
yeah, you're 100% right.
And we don't.
That's 100% right.
We have this tendency that if something is posted in black and white, that's law.
Right.
Regardless of whether it is or not.
Right.
And I think it's important that we have a better understanding of the Constitution.
Absolutely.
And we get people north of Richmond
Right.
to understand the Constitution.
Absolutely.
And what their jobs are and what they're not.
Right.
The shame of it is that a lot of times we as in law enforcement let our emotions get the better of us. And we take that wrong path.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna get out of here. I appreciate it. So, and hopefully, yeah. So I'm glad we could end on a different note. So, absolutely. So, yeah. God bless. Be safe. Yep. You too.
The encounter ended with a complete attitude adjustment, moving from hostility to a professional discussion on the Bill of Rights. The audit successfully proved that while in quote, orders in quote, may exist, they do not supersede the Constitution. The lesson: always remain polite but firm. An educated citizen is the badge and Oppo's greatest teacher. If you believe in bridging the gap between law enforcement and the community through constitutional education, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment on this in quote, town in quote, win, and keep filming. Stay free. Can a police sergeant legally put his hands on you for asking a personal question during a First Amendment audit? Today, we analyze a high-stakes standoff at a Maryland State Police barrack, where a recording session triggers a physical confrontation. It's a battle between the right to film and an officer in oppose. End quote. Hurt feelings, end quote. When the badge moves from verbal orders to physical contact, who is really violating the peace? Let's break down the law of assault and restricted access.
All right?
Huh?
You all right?
Yeah, no, and if you...
I thought you was about to hit the shit out of me.
I was gonna hit you. Did you need something?
Nah, the way you was backing up.
Did you need something?
I thought you was about to hit me.
Did you need something here?
I thought you was about to hit me.
Nowhere near you.
I'm scared as shit right now.
Okay, get up on the sidewalk then. You ain't gotta worry about it.
You don't tell me what to do.
Jump up on the sidewalk.
You don't tell me what to do.
Do you need something here? Do you need something here?
You came to me. Did you need something here?
That's what I'm asking you. This is a state police barrack.
Do you need something here? Get the fuck out of here.
Sergeant Remy confronts the auditor for filming the facility, demanding ID and ordering him to move. The situation escalates when the auditor asks a provocative personal question, leading the sergeant to slap the camera/hand. Legally, verbal provocation is not a legal justification for physical assault by law enforcement. While the auditor's language was unprofessional, the officer's physical response constitutes a failure in de-escalation and a potential violation of the auditor and oppose as civil rights.
Yeah, what's your name and badge number?
I don't have a badge number. Sergeant Remy.
Sergeant Remy?
Yep, Remy. R-E-A.
Remy. You don't need to know where your name at, Remy.
Yep.
All right, Remy.
Did you need help with something or no?
Do you need help?
I don't, no.
Okay.
No, because this is my barrack here. It's state police.
This is not your barrack. This is the people's barrack.
This is state police. This is where we work.
Okay.
So we're seeing if you needed help.
But this not your barrack though.
Huh?
This not your barrack.
No, I don't work at this one.
Right.
No.
So you saying this is my barrack like you own it. You saying mine like you own it.
You can change my words all you want to make it sound better. I don't care. That's up to you.
Okay.
So do me a favor, head on that side because right there it says you can't come back here.
I'm not driving.
Okay? Don't need to be able to drive or anything. Can't walk back here. Sir. Go ahead and step over on that way.
All right,
okay?
bet. I'm gonna step on over here.
Yep.
Sergeant.
On that side. That's fine. Right? You have ID with you?
Yeah.
Let me have it. Let me see.
Damn.
Let me see it.
Damn. Why you so close to me, dog?
Huh?
Back the fuck up.
Because you're gonna hand me the ID.
I ain't giving you shit. Back the fuck up.
Do you have ID?
Back the fuck up.
No.
Please.
No.
Please back the fuck up.
No, I'm staying right here.
Please.
I've already asked you to move. So move that way. Go that way.
Move out my way.
Go that way.
Move out my way. Excuse me, I'm trying to move.
Okay, go right here. You got plenty of room to move. Plenty of room to walk whichever way you want to walk.
You got herpes? Step on your lip.
Do you? Don't put it in my face.
Hey, bro, don't fucking touch that.
Now go ahead and walk back over.
Please don't touch me again,
walk back
sir.
over.
Please don't touch me again.
Walk back over. Like I asked you the first time.
Please don't touch me again.
Like I asked you the time. Walk back over.
Please don't touch me again.
Okay, don't put the camera in my face like that.
The camera was right here the whole time.
You
walked up to me, bitch. You walked up to me, bitch.
Okay.
All right, bitch.
Okay.
Get the fuck back.
Okay.
Get the fuck back.
Go ahead and walk. Go ahead and walk.
Public property, ain't it?
No, it's not.
Get the fuck out of my way. Y'all
no, that way. On that side of the parking lot, and you're good.
I'm good right here. I'm good right here. Fuck is wrong with you?
Listen, hold up, man.
Nah, you hold up. This man is assaulting me.
How?
He just touched me.
I don't see
right
it.
in his face.
Bitch, man, shut the fuck up and suck my dick, bitch.
Hold up.
No, you hold up. Hold
okay?
up. Hold up these nuts.
Maryland
Fuck you think you? I don't give a
Bear.
fuck what this is. You think you gonna come out here and put your hands on me? I need complaint forms. Go get me complaint forms.
Complaint form?
Yeah.
I can give you the number to headquarters.
I need complaint forms.
Okay. Do you have ID on you?
Yeah, I do. Get it off me.
Okay. Well, look, there's a sign there. Everything behind the building is restricted access. Okay, behind the building. So where this gentleman's standing, you're more than welcome to be up there. But right here is restricted access. If you want to come over here, I'll show you.
Y'all look. I'm standing up. Y'all see y'all. Hey, you see the sign right there, right? I'm behind the sign. So I'm right here. Yeah, let's play. Y'all wanna play?
Well, were you guys just in the post office in Centerville?
We was minding our fucking business, big boy.
What the Queen Anne's County said?
They said suck my dick.
Oh, I'm sure they said that.
Yeah. Look at this bald bitch right here. Look at him. Racist, right? Look at him, y'all. They racist as shit. He got this big ass uniform on. Fuck wrong with him? Al Roker. Look at Al Roker. He got that uniform when he first started working. Big ass. I need a complaint phone. This man just assaulted me. Can y'all call the ambulance? My arm is hurting.
You need me to call an
Yeah, please. I need him to check my hand out. He just hit the shit out of me. Do y'all got body cameras?
No. Camera's there. And
Okay.
and he did not hit you.
Okay.
He did not hit you.
You got that on camera, right? Okay. Yup. You see him come up to me, right? He said I put the camera in his face.
How old are you? Does EMS need to know?
I tell him when they get here.
No, they need
I'm a grown man. I'm not talking to you. I need an ambulance. My damn shoulder hurting.
Yeah, but how old are you, sir?
It don't matter.
Okay.
He's of age. I can tell you he's over 21.
This man right here just assaulted me, y'all. And then cause I asked him did he have herpes, y'all. This man just assaulted me because I asked him did he have herpes. Look at him, man. He want to laugh about it.
First Sergeant John Hickey arrives and attempts to establish a, in quote, trespass, in quote, line at a, in quote, vehicles only, in quote, sign. Legally, for a trespass charge to stick on government property, the area must be clearly marked and the order to leave must be lawful. The auditor stays behind the sign to maintain his legal standing. The officers and oppos focus on the auditor and oppos, as foul language rather than the alleged assault highlights a common, in quote, audit fail, in quote, where egos override constitutional obligations to remain professional.
Both of these bald bitches, look at them. Rogaine ain't working for him.
Nope.
And he's a sergeant, y'all. This is sergeant just assaulted me because I asked him did he have herpes. He came up into my camera. It's all recorded, y'all. This man just assaulted me. I need a motherfucking ambulance.
It's coming. It'll be here.
I hope so. You want to tell me I can't be back here, y'all? You already seen the sign say vehicles only.
You already passed the sign. You need to step back some. You're past the sign now. So now you're trespassing. Step back about 2 feet and you'll be good to go. Okay? First Sergeant John Hickey, Maryland State Police. You need to step back about 2 feet past the sign.
Look, y'all. I'm past the sign.
Thank you.
Bitch, I'm right here.
You don't need to use foul language.
Shut up, bitch. Don't tell me what to do, bald bitch.
No one's telling you anything.
Get them bumps off your face, bitch.
Okay.
Sergeant.
First Sergeant.
Yeah, first sergeant. Get some first shoes. Beat up ass shoes. That you want to be famous today, first sergeant. That shit don't mean nothing.
I don't know why you guys are here, but I mean, you can be.
Yeah,
but you
public
can't go
property,
past the
right?
sign.
I pay your taxes, bitch.
I pay my taxes too.
Okay, I pay your
So
taxes,
I pay myself.
Bitch.
I pay myself.
I pay you too,
If
though,
you
bitch.
pass
Look
this
at me.
sign,
I pay you, bitch.
You pass this
I
sign, you'll
pay
be
you, bitch.
trespassing.
Fuck you. Trespass these nuts. Yeah, I see you ain't talking no more either.
Nothing else to say. We're waiting for the ambulance to get here. Since
Yeah,
you're hurting so
we
bad.
sure is.
Since you're
Thanks
hurting,
for assaulting me.
Yep.
Thanks for assaulting me. We got it on 2 cameras.
Yep. That way you get checked out. Make sure you're good.
2 cameras.
Not a problem.
He want to lock somebody up for trespassing because they done fucked up. Shut up. Shut up, bitch. Shut up. Shut up, bitch one.
That's all.
Nah, this bitch one right here, he want to be first sergeant. So he bitch one. We got our own camera equipment because we know y'all like to delete y'all's. These won't be deleted though.
I'm just gonna.
Centerville, Barrett, y'all, Maryland State Police. Y'all just seen this man just assault me. Look. Yeah, move this motherfucker if you want to move it. Ain't nobody worrying about your car's baldy. Talking about he worrying about somebody touching their car. What the fuck wrong with him? As long as he doesn't come past this.
That's not polite.
Shut the fuck up, bitch.
Please watch, man.
Shut the fuck up, bitch. Fuck wrong with y'all? Y'all think y'all gonna assault me and y'all think y'all gonna tell me what to do? Nah, it don't work like that. 2021. Told y'all, Maryland finest. The most corrupt in Maryland. Y'all just seen it from him. First-hand assault. First-hand assault, y'all. Got it on 2 cameras. He got mad because I asked him, did he have herpes? I will when the ambulance get here.
Okay, if you could just
When the ambulance get here. Bye, don't say nothing else to me. Don't say nothing else to me.
Why can't you move? Okay, sir, we're trying to move the vehicle to make better access for the ambulance.
Well, move y'all cars. How y'all gonna make better? How they gonna get in here? Move your cars then.
We're gonna move.
Okay, move that one. Move that one first. Bye.
We're gonna move that.
Fuck out my face.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yeah, that motherfucker dead. Fuck wrong with this bitch. So we can make better access for the ambulance, sir. But they blocking the driveway, but they want to make better access for the ambulance, y'all, to get in here. I'm standing right here. This motherfucking car ain't moving forever. The damn look. Maryland finest for y'all. She want to make better access though. Watch you come up here and look. How the ambulance gonna get here, y'all? How the ambulance gonna get here for better access though, y'all? But they want me to move. Professional liars, exactly. Maryland State Police. Barrett S. Centerville, Maryland.
The encounter ended with the auditor calling an ambulance for a shoulder injury, while the Maryland State Police officers retreated behind property lines. The attempt to bully a citizen out of their rights through physical force resulted in a total, end quote, audit fail, end quote, for the department. The lesson: foul language is protected speech, but physical contact by police without cause is a crime. If you believe in holding law enforcement accountable for their actions and protecting the right to record, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment on this Maryland, end quote, assault, end quote, fail, and keep filming. Stay free.